going to spend some time on this chart that I posted last night as evening update and talk you through it. So if we take the total, in this case, total market cap, altcoins plus Bitcoin, we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 5, I'm going to make 4.618 times the length of 3. Because we have from now until December of this year or January of 2022 to really fulfill this. And it's well in progression to do so. I think the total market cap in this case then would reach over $3.5 trillion. Okay? And that's pretty bullish. Now, at wave 3, which was a 2017 peak, market cap was around $775 billion. Total market cap. Okay? It almost reached 800 billion. And people were thinking back then, oh, it'll go to $1 trillion. Well, we're still a little bit under $1 trillion. What is significant here is that of the 775, it wasn't all Bitcoin. Most of it was composed from altcoins. In this case chart on the right, this is TOTAL2, which is altcoins minus, or rather total market cap minus Bitcoin, which would be representing of altcoins. And that at wave 3 was about 480 billion, which means 62% or so of the total market cap, in this case 775 billion, 62% of it was composed of altcoin market cap. Okay, which means there was almost 1 to 1.5. So Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin to 1.5 of alts. So let's say there was 60-40 split at wave 3. So if the total market cap is projected to go somewhere to, let's say, $3.5 trillion, okay, then that'll give about 62% of 3.5 trillion is 2.2 trillion. And the wave 5 target for the total 2 is showing it to be around 2.135 trillion. If that's the case. So the bottom line of this is then that alt season is well in progression. It had a major buy signal July of 2020. So a major buy on alts, a major buy in the total. And in this total, it's not just Bitcoin. It can't be, because if you take Bitcoin out, you still get the major buy. So even while the prices flap around like a fish out of the water, it doesn't change the target. Now this major buy we also had in the altcoins back in 2015. It was on December of 2015 when the major buy for altcoins started. And for Bitcoin, it was May of 2015. That means it was about 6 months in advance of the alts. Interesting. Bitcoin gave a major buy in June of 2020, so it was only a month apart. Pretty well coordinated. And if that coordination continues, That means there will be a significant bullish wave lifting up the whole entirety of cryptosphere. And just as this blue line is holding up the trend, I don't believe it'll be that different for total 2. But time target for the accomplishment of wave 5, for the completion, is December to January of this year. December of this year, January of next year, approximately. It may occur earlier. This might be it. Or this might be it. Or it'll go to 2.414. Anything above, anywhere above could be the stopping point. How will we know? Well, if we get a significant decisive break of this blue line anywhere above, that's how we'll know that wave 5 is probably here. But until then, wave 5 remains for total 2 at 2.135 trillion. And for the total at around 3.547 trillion. I hope you find this to be helpful to augment your own due diligence. Have a good day.